Okay, now let's look at number 2. And I'll use a capo on this one. And I'll show you how I would capo if I were playing using my 1-4-5 for A, which would be A, D, and E. So I know my A chord, 2nd fret, 3rd string, is an A note. So if I'm looking for B flat, I just have to move it up 1 fret. So it's an A sharp or a B flat. Okay? So that relationship, if I'm going to maintain an empty fret behind my A chord at the 3rd fret, I would need to capo the 1st fret. If you're doing the marching up thing, you would go A sharp, or B flat, and you would stop there. What I recommend is looking at the 5th string open, which is A, find a B flat, put your capo there. Because remember, anytime we're using an open string and we want to change keys, that's where our capo is going to go. So now I'm capoed at the 1st fret, and I'm playing A, D, and E. Now when I hit the 5th string open, it's a B flat. When I hit, because of the capo, when I hit my E chord, capoed at the 1st fret, okay, that's an F note. So when I play an E chord, capoed at the 1st fret, that's my 5 chord. D, this D is my shape, but if I look at the 4th string open, it's D, it's capoed up, so it's an D sharp or an E flat. That's my 4 chord. And my 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 4th fret, that's an E flat. So A, D, E, B flat, E flat, F. 1-4-5. All right, it's pretty good. No buzzing, pretty in tune. So here's number 2. You're still capoed for G, and now the chords just come in a different order, but it's still 1-4-5. And let's do a different strum pattern here. Let's do number 11. So down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, and. One, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 4 chord, 5, repeat. 5, 4, 5, resolve into the 1 chord.